Hey everyone, welcome back. Imagine we are standing inside one of the most expensive data centers in the world. Behind me are thousands of powerful computers. These machines are not just storing photos or websites. They are running some of the most advanced AI models on the planet. And today, something very serious happened. Anthropic, the company behind Claude, disabled access to two of its most powerful AI models, Fable 5 and Mythos 5. According to Anthropic's own statement, this happened after a U.S. government directive telling them to suspend access because of national security concerns. Now let me explain this like you're 12 years old. Think of an AI model like a super smart robot brain. Most people use it to write, code, research, create ideas, and solve problems. But the more powerful the robot brain becomes, the more careful people must be. Because a very powerful AI could also help bad people do dangerous things if it is not properly controlled. For example, it could possibly help someone find weaknesses in computer systems. That does not mean the AI is evil. It means the tool is very powerful. Just like a sports car. A sports car can be amazing if a responsible driver uses it. But if the wrong person drives it badly, it can become dangerous. That is basically what the government was worried about. The U.S. government reportedly believed there might be a way to bypass, or jailbreak, the safety rules of Fable 5. A jailbreak means tricking the AI into ignoring its safety limits, like convincing a locked door to open when it should stay closed. Anthropic said the government did not provide many specific details, and Anthropic also said the example they reviewed involved only a small number of already known, minor vulnerabilities. So why did Anthropic disable the models? Not because the models suddenly broke. Not because every user did something wrong, and not because all Claude models disappeared. They disabled them because the U.S. government told them to restrict access, especially foreign access, due to national security concerns. Reports say Anthropic chose to take the models offline more broadly to make sure it complied with the directive. Let's make it even simpler. Imagine a school has a super powerful science lab. Most students use it to learn amazing things. But one day, the principal hears that someone might have found a way to unlock a dangerous cabinet. Even if the school thinks the problem is small, the principal may say, "Close the lab for now until we are 100% sure it is safe." That is basically what happened here. The AI lab is Anthropic. The powerful science tools are Fable 5 and Mythos 5. And the principal is the U.S. government. Anthropic says access to its other models is not affected. So this does not mean Claude is gone. It means these specific advanced models were paused because of a government order. The interesting part is that Anthropic does not seem fully happy with the decision. They said they disagree with the handling of the situation and believe there may be a misunderstanding. They also said they hope access can be restored after the issue is resolved. So the big lesson here is this. AI is becoming so powerful that it is no longer just a tech product. It is becoming something governments treat almost like nuclear technology, military tools, or advanced computer chips. When AI becomes powerful enough to help with coding, cybersecurity, science, and automation, countries start asking, who should be allowed to use this? How safe is it? And what happens if the wrong person gets access? That is why this story is important. It shows us that the future of AI will not only be about who builds the smartest model. It will also be about who controls access to it. So, in one sentence, Anthropic disabled two of its best models because the U.S. government was worried they could be misused if their safety rules were bypassed, and Anthropic decided to comply while it tries to resolve the issue. That is the simple explanation. AI is getting more powerful, governments are getting more involved, and the race for safe artificial intelligence is becoming more serious every single day. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe, and follow for more simple explanations about the future of AI.